Welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgina. I'm the Honest Vocal Coach. Today we're going to be looking at even more Eurovision 2021. So welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, my name is Georgina. I'm the Honest Vocal Coach. I teach singing all day, every day when I'm not making videos like this one. You can work with me if you like. I have links down below. I've got an online singing course and also a breathing course. Plus, if you like what you see today, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So, we're going to be moving forward in the Eurovision 2021 songs. Now, there's only 40 entrants now. One of the countries has pulled out of the competition, so it takes it to 40. I am going to try and react to all of them. It's going to be hard, but I'm going to give it a shot. They're going to have to be squeezed in around my normal scheduling, which is things like the vocal battles and Girl Band Thursday and New Music Friday and stuff like that. I'm going to shoehorn them in as best I can. So, today we're going to be looking at Hurricane, which is Loco Loco, which is from Serbia. Last year's entry was actually very good. It kind of reminded me a little bit of like the Macarena and stuff like that. We're going to be looking at the video today and also breaking down some of the vocals. Let's dive in. Okay, got a great impact to start off with. Really got me, did that. Very much a disco feel in the video here. And three girls. A little bit of auto-tune on there. Okay, quite a bit. This is good. This reminds me of, let me think, Fifth Harmony, definite girl band vibe, great bass to it, visuals are pretty awesome. Unfortunately, I don't understand all the language, so it's tricky for me to know what it's all about, but I will look up the lyrics afterwards. Ooh, Loco! That's a really good vibrato. It's quite a saucy video. Very girl band, kind of, you know, little mix, stuff like that. I like the Loco. That sounds kind of cool. They're really good vocalists, all three of them. Oh, I love that. Loco, Loco. It's good, this.
One, two, girls, come on.
Okay, bit of a dance break. Oh, that vocal and the key change. That was great. It almost makes me feel a bit like Blackpink as well. There's some really awesome vocals in that. Very clever use of the now and again. Also, the vibrato's good. They're 3 equally talented vocalists. There's some auto-tune on there, but you know, they're going to have to do it live for the actual show. I think it's a strong song. Really strong contender here. Yeah, very girl band-esque. Makes me kind of want to get up and dance. So let me know what you think of this one from Serbia. Do you think it could be in the winning top 5? Let me know in the comments below. But before you go, I've got something that I'd like to sort of show you. Now, I get sent new music all the time from artists all over the world for them to just have a listen and see whether I think it's any good and my opinion and all that. Anyway, I got sent this one. Bear with. Now this is Nick Santo and it's called Colours, and the video, wow, at the beginning I was just, yeah, you'll have to watch it to totally understand what I mean, but here's a clip. So yeah, Nick Santo, new up-and-coming artist, very fierce. I'm loving the whole feel, the whole kind of proud of who we are. We've got so many different colours. I just think it's great. I'll put a link to the full video down below so you can take a look at it. But yeah, I like this one. I kind of got lost in all of the other tracks on the YouTube of his as well. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think of Serbia's entry and also Nick Santo, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves. There's a little bit wooden there, wasn't it?